It's so weird to be back. Welcome back, or if you are new, welcome. Happy 2024. It has been a while once again, and I'm really sorry. I'm not gonna keep doing this. It's just because, you know, bit of a whirlwind end of the year, you know, Christmas and whatnot. And if you've been subscribed for a little while, you should know that I am a bit of a Christmas fanatic. Or if there is literally nothing over that side of the room. It's just there and something made a noise. Hello? If I haven't actually made that clear, I'm sorry. Hi, I'm Nikki, I'm a Christmas fanatic, and I'm very sad it's over. But on with the rest of the year. I'm just putting my clippies in, by the way. And yes, my nails are very, very chipped. We're not going to talk about it. Okay. My hair is not hairing very well, but that's fine. For today's video, I'm just going to do my normal makeup. We're just going to have a bit of a chit chat, you know, like, right, something's happening around the room and I don't know what's happening. I also moved my room around, that's why there's a bit of a different background. Are we liking this leaf, these leaves, the duo over here? I do my head in, but, you know, it adds to the theme. What was I talking about? See, this is why I shouldn't go away for so long, because my brain just can't keep up. Oh yeah, just a little chit chat. I also need to fill you in on a little something to do with my channel. Before we get into all of that, if you haven't already, hit subscribe down below or my little face in the corner. Let's get into the video, shall we? Okay. First things first, I don't know why I showed you the fact that it was reduced straight away. It was reduced, which is why I got it. It's usually £4.50, it's £2.50. In Primark, it's the Bobbi Brown dupe, Prep and Perfect Vitamin Enriched Moisturising Primer. I've wanted one for a while, and then me and my friend were in the queue to like pay for other things. And you know if you've been to Primark, the queue gets you. When you're waiting there and you've got all of this stuff, it gets you every time. We saw this and it was reduced and we were like, okay, Primark, we shall. You've done it once again. So I'm just gonna pop this on the face. I do like how this makes my makeup look. I've used it now for a little while. I bought this a few days before Christmas because I went down to my friend's house in Cardiff for our little Christmas day. Let me tell you, it was, I think, one of my favourite days I've ever had. I know that's like, we didn't really do much different, but for some, like, it's a core memory now for me. I don't know why. And also the gift that she got me, come on, get into that shortly. I'm just gonna put some concealer on. That day I went down to Cardiff and we were gonna go ice skating, but when we got there, it was jam-packed, as you can imagine, on the 23rd of December in a city. It's gonna be crowded. I don't know why we thought different, but it was crowded. So we didn't do that. We just got some of those sugar donuts, you know, like the ones you can get at like a fairground. What a time to be alive. I love them so much. My friend, however, did drop half of hers. That was a sad time. But yes, the gift that she got me. Now, one thing I've always wanted since I was like in school, like early years of school, like secondary school, I'd always wanted a pair of Converse. Always, and that has never changed, and I just haven't got myself a pair because I couldn't bring myself to do it. Now, my best friend being the best friend that she is, this Christmas, we were exchanging gifts. She gave me, like, we do like little gifts and then like a main gift. I just popped that in the concealer and that's the wrong side. So she gave me all like the little gifts, and honestly, that was enough. Like, she gave me Reese's. Another thing, I love Reese's. She then hands me my main gift. I was not ready for what I would unravel. I opened it. First of all, I opened it upside down, so I didn't see what it was straight away. It was a pair of Converse. I know it sounds dramatic, and I am being dramatic, but when I tell you I've wanted these for about 10 years, and that day, I finally got them. It's the all-white pair. I'm so dramatic, but I'm so happy. The only sad thing is that in the UK right now, we're in the middle of a storm, so I can't wear them, otherwise I will ruin them. That's a bummer. But come summertime, I'm going to be having the time of my life. Even springtime, depending on how, you know, the UK wants to be. So yeah, that's what I got to over Christmas. I hope you had a wonderful holiday time if you do celebrate, and a wonderful new year. Speaking of the new year, for this new year, I've wanted to do this for a while, but I thought, you know, it being new year, let this be the time. I am switching up my content here on the old YouTube channel. I'm still going to do makeup. It's still going to be me doing my makeup, but this is already being done. I'm very aware. I watch them daily. Them being Danielle Kirsty and Bailey Sarian. I'm very bad with names, we know this. If you're not familiar with who they are and what kind of content they put out, first of all, where have you been? Second, they do true crime. I am obsessed with true crime. Just knowing everything about, like, I know it sounds morbid, but like, I just love learning about it all. And just like, I don't know, it's fascinating. But also, I love doing my makeup. That's like literally what my channel is me doing my makeup. So I'm going to be doing that. Sitting here, doing my makeup. I'm going to do like more exciting makeup looks and all that stuff. But telling you about a different true crime story every time. And I am beyond excited because even just the research part of it, like I've already done my research for the first one that I'm filming. And it's just so fascinating. Like I love researching, I love writing down notes and learning things. And then the fact I get to sit here, do my makeup, do something really creative with my makeup, which I haven't done in a while, and just talk about it, I cannot wait. I just wanted to like, you know, give you a heads up about it because if you're just scrolling on the old tube and then you come across one of my videos and it's not like my quick and easy summer tutorial, glowy skin girly tutorial, then it could be a little bit of like a, what have I missed? Did I miss a chapter? I just want to give a little heads up. And like, if you're not into any of that stuff, if you don't want to watch any of that, then now you know that that's some of the content I'm going to be putting out. I might sit down still and do like a normal chit chat video or like just doing makeup and not saying like telling you a story. So my next video will be like a true crime one. Do I tell you what it's going to be or do I just leave it as a surprise? We'll leave it as a surprise. Wait, my grandma gave me this over Christmas. It was actually hers and she brought it so I could do her makeup over Christmas. I love doing my grandma's makeup. It's the most pure, wholesome thing in the world. Still has the plastic on it. So I did her makeup with this. How cute is this? And then afterwards she gave it to me. Thank you, Grandma. So I'm going to use these two today because they're quite glamorous, if I do say so. So thank you, Grandma, for this. Have you seen that all of like the peachy stuff is apparently coming back for 2024? Like everybody was in like the hot pink and like baby pink era 2023 and now they're bringing back the peach era. I'm not mad about it because I do suit the peach look a bit more than the baby pink, but can we make up our minds and just stick for a little bit? Just for a little bit. Let me adjust. I'm going with the highlight. I hope this isn't too dark for me. But it looked absolutely divine on my grandma. Pretty. I forgot to who am I? What has happened to me? Nikki, pull yourself together. Just getting back on track a second. Hang on. Oh yeah, I've also started contouring my cheeks because, you know, I wasn't really being mindful of the food I was eating over Christmas. Not that we should, but I definitely fell off course, didn't keep on track, and my face got a little puffy. So we're contouring. It's fine. I can't get over my chipped nails. Not that it looks bad. I was gonna say not that it looks too bad. Nikki, you're lying to yourself. Anybody got any New Year's resolutions? I have a few, but I'm one of those people that if I put it out into the world all at once, I won't do it. I've got to just take things like step by step and try and accomplish things that way so that I'm not just trying to get it all done in one go, because I know then I'm not going to do it because I'm just going to overwhelm myself. But I did see that thing that Chris Hemsworth posted. Don't try and do everything all at once. Introduce a new habit week by week. So then you give yourself a week to get used to this new habit and then introduce things slowly. I think that'll work for me because I'm one of those people that if I want something, I'll do it. I just gotta ease myself into it because I do get overwhelmed very easily. But I've started back running after having it was 2 weeks of not exercising at all. I'm so happy I'm back. And just seeing my dog running next to me, it makes me so happy. And just seeing the swans as I'm running. I am terrified of swans actually, but seeing them, I was like, oh, hi swans. But I'm very terrified of swans. Can swans really hurt you? Do they get angered very easily? Because they're right here while I'm running. Can they just snap and just chase you? Because that's my biggest fear. One of my biggest fears. Anyway, one of my New Year's resolutions though that I don't mind putting out there right now is that I need to spend more time with people. Because first of all, I'm very much an introvert, so I can just lock myself away in my bedroom and be perfectly fine. But I have realised within the last few months that I have a habit of, because my job type of things, there's no 9 to 5, so I will just keep on going and then I realise it's midnight and I haven't spoken to anyone all day. So I need to make that a priority this year, is actually spend time with people. There's no memories going to be made with me just sitting in my bedroom working. It seems a bit sad that I'm going to look back at my 20s and be like, oh, all I did was sit on my bed and work. That's really sad when I'm thinking about it. I don't want that to happen. Okay, one little thing I've been doing to my wings recently, because I have like green eyes, a little bit of brown. I wouldn't call them well, it's not even brown, it's more orange, but I wouldn't call them hazel because they're majority green. Does that class as hazel if there's like a little bit of orange in it? I don't know, let me know. But I've been taking my little angle brush into like a burgundy colour and going across the edges of it. It kind of smokes out, but then also adds a bit of colour, which if you have brown eyes, green eyes, these types of colours help to make your eyes pop. Okay, my lip combo right now. First of all, if you didn't see this coming, this is the Berry Am lip liner in the shade, is this chocolate? Chocolate. Gonna overline the centre of the lips. That seemed rather unnecessary. It's a Lucas Papaw lip balm. My red ones did run out and I was very sad about it. But Anisa's brother came through this Christmas. Why am I holding it like this? This is the, what colour is this? Rich Mocha. Oh, my dog's called Mocha. And it is the nicest brown colour. When it comes to like nudes and stuff like that, I don't suit like the pinkier nudes. I don't know why. So this is perfect, especially because it's a lip balm as well. So my lips stay juicy and smooth and now coloured throughout the day. I'm just going to set my face with the Berry Am face mist. And now we are ready for the day. That was my little YouTube update. Now you know what direction this channel is going to go in for the foreseeable. If it's a bit of you, let's go. If it's not, now you know. If you are new here and the true crime stuff is a bit of you, subscribe, turn on the little bell so that you don't miss when I upload it. I'm excited for this new little journey, some might say. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe, especially because things are about to get funky. I shall see you